Thank you for watching this today. I am Shashwat Samaddar from MBA Tech CS second year, and I am looking forward to talking with you today about types of resume formats. Did you know that on an average 75% of resumes are rejected by an ATS and never seen by an employer? Here ATS stands for Application Tracking System. So, now we know that how important it is to have a stunning resume to break into your dream company. And the first step for that would be to choose the right format to depict your skills and experiences. So, let's start by describing what a resume format is. Resume is a brief summary of a candidate who is searching for a job in which he or she includes qualification, contact information, and work experiences, etc. Also, resume format refers to the style, structure, size, and the type of file in which you are submitting your resume. Alternatively, we can see it as a tool to win an interview. So now let's look at the types of resume format available. There are different resume format available for resume writing as follow. First one is the chronological resume format. The second one will be functional resume format. And the third one would be combinational resume format. Now let's look into each one of them in detail. Chronological resume format. Chronological resume format has details about your objective, skill sets, educational details, and experience history in a chronological order. It is important to note here that in this format, the experience details are mentioned in reverse order, that is, from latest to previous. This format is generally used if you have several years of work experience in any one career path, or you have worked for several clients or employers, or you have minimal or no gap between jobs. So let's quickly talk about an example to help you visualize better. So here is a resume prepared by Janet. I would like to draw your attention in the red box which have been highlighted. If you look closely, her current work that has started on July 2017 is mentioned on the top, and the work she did from August 2015 to July 2017 as an office assistant is mentioned afterwards. So this was a classic example of a chronological resume format. Let's now move forward to the next type. So let's now discuss about the functional resume format. This particular format directly emphasizes specific professional capabilities and utilizes experience summaries as its primary means of communicating professional competency. It is one that is used to assert a focus to relevant skills that are specific to the position you are applying for. Let me give you an example with which you could understand this type of resume format in much more detail. So here's an example of functional resume. As it is clearly visible that most of the space in this resume is consumed by the skills of the candidate of whose this resume is. This particular resume format can be used when someone does not have much relevant work experience in the field they are applying for, and that may be because of shifting of your industry. So it is a good way when you have skills that are much more related to the job you are applying for, but you don't have the relevant work experience. So you can display your skills. Uh, Moving forward, let's look at the combinational resume format. So it blends the best part of chronological and functional resume formats. It emphasizes on skills as well as the relevant experience and then elaborates about total work history. Let me give you an example to visualize it better. Let's look at Alex Lee's resume. Focus on the red box which highlights the relevant skills of the candidate, which is a primary feature of a functional resume. Next, look in the orange box and you would find out that the work experience has been mentioned in a chronological order, that is, from latest to oldest, and that if you could remember that it is a feature of chronological resume format. This particular format is advised when you are an early career professional with 1 to 3 years of work experience, or you are a recent college graduate, or you have no gaps in your work history. After discussing all the three types of resume format, now the question arises as to which resume format is best, and a very short answer and accurate answer would be it depends. But on what? So let me give you an answer. It depends on at what stage you are in your career right now. It also depends on what is the standard format expected in your industry. It would also greatly depend on your work history that you want to show in your resume. And the last and important point would be whether you want to shift your industry or continue in the same industry. And there are many other various factors. So let's now move forward to the Q&A. If you have any doubts or questions regarding the types of resume format about which I just presented the presentation, then you could mention them in the comment section below and I would be happy to answer them. This brings us to the end of today's presentation. Thank you for listening.